right to, of course, that monster storm. Hurricane Florence is strengthening in the Atlantic. You see right there that satellite image on track to become a Category 4 hurricane.
And it's heading for the southeast. States of emergency have already been declared in South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia. Of course, Ginger is tracking the system as it moves in. Good morning, Ginger.
Oh, good morning. This is a big one, y'all. And so we've been watching it strengthen, and rapidly it will do so even going into the rest of this morning. Today is the peak of hurricane season. It actually marks the day, and boy, does it look it in the Atlantic. But Florence has our attention, and it should, because by Thursday, we will be seeing major impacts along the southeast coast. Keep an eye not just on that center line, but the entire cone, anywhere from Charleston up to Norfolk, still in the region that has to be on high alert, because we're going to see huge impacts in the way of storm surge, of course, damaging wind and inland flooding, which I will be talking about in a moment. I'm going to be headed right into the storm zone, but already my teammate Rob Marciano is there. Rob, I'm so proud to see store shelves empty of water. People are really preparing for this, as they should.
They are getting ready, Ginger. Still over 1,000 miles away, as you know, but Florence has its sights set on the state of North Carolina. Already the long swells have set up rip currents. There were over a dozen rescues yesterday. Surfers this morning trying to take advantage of the smooth waves. These water temperatures are inviting. 87 degrees. Of course, that's fuel for hurricanes. This pier you see behind me and up with our drone, that was wiped out back in 1996, rebuilt in 2002. Solid concrete set to withstand 200-mile-per-hour winds. That engineering is going to be put to the test. The last time a hurricane of this strength came through here, 1954, these homes were not here, and they will be in harm's way if this water gets up and over those dunes. As you mentioned, folks are preparing here, wiping out store shelves of water and other supplies, but 60 years, Ginger, is a long time for the most of the people that live here. This storm is likely to be like nothing they've ever experienced before.
That's exactly right, Ginger. Rob. The way that it's affecting and hitting the coast will be a huge impact. Thank you, Rob. Up to winds, right? We're talking 150 plus miles per hour in a Category 4, a strong one. So we'll be watching for that as it hits the coast. Again, timing is Thursday into Friday for the heftiest part. But don't forget that once it gets inland, and we've seen this before, these storms can meander, they can hit, and what's happening is it's going to get squeezed with a stationary front. We could end up seeing more than 20 inches of rain. So Greensboro, Roanoke, just because you're not at the coast does not mean you will not see major impacts from this storm, Robin.
Keep an eye. All right, Ginger, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.